attraction with iron fillings of these bar magnets. Do you know what is attraction? In the previous lesson we had saw they repel each other. As you can see, they try to move away. That's like when a stranger and you move away. And today we will see the attraction. Like a friend of yours and you are getting close to each other, like the magnets also do the same. Okay, so the items required are 2 magnets, a sheet of paper, and some iron flings, and a tray, or a plate, or a paper only you can use. Okay, so the first thing is we want to do. So we need to do the iron. We need to place the bar magnets. Do you know why I've done a little bit gap? But because if you do it like this, it will form a single bar magnet. So that's why we need a little bit gap. Now what we'll do, we'll take this sheet of paper and place it on the bar magnets. Now we are going to sprinkle some iron flings. This will take a little bit time, so we will continue it later. Bye. Now we have sprinkled these iron fillings, and you can see in the previous lesson we put it on the center, but it moved to the other side. But here we put it on center and they do not move because they're acting like bar magnets actually. These rectangular shaped iron fillings are the bar magnets we present below. This whole area is the magnetic field. A magnetic field is an area around a magnet that is affected by the magnet. These curved lines, also these ones that are going, these words are the magnetic field lines. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe and share to my channel. If you like and share, my video becomes more popular. Bye.